Last night we dropped off a 91-year-old gentleman who had been buried under the rocks for 9 days. We took care of him in our hospital and resuscitated him, but his family wanted him to bring us to his house. His house turned out to be an area of rocks and trash outside, out in the open, with about 100 other families living there. And it didn't seem too safe, and it didn't seem very comfortable, and it seemed like we would be leaving him just to die. So we're going back to get him and bring him back to our camp to take care of him for as long as we can to make him as She knows the plan? She knows we're going?
How much fluid did he get yesterday?
Papi, ¿cómo es? ¿Va a hablar mal? ¿O va a ganar formal? No. ¿Va a ganar formal? ¿Cómo?
You want to start surveying him and I'll get an IV start kit?
Yeah.